We've all seen the classic egg drop experiment, where you take an egg and throw it in a box with the only packing peanut nobody hates, popcorn. Pack it in nice and tight, ensuring every kernel provides a cushiony layer of protection. Sprinkle a little bit of salt, not for flavor, but for a bit of good luck, and close up the box. Then you throw it out the window, crossing your fingers and hoping it doesn't break. Popcorn for the win. But what about an egg drop, where you can't touch the egg until it hits the ground?
So we're going to do an egg drop, but it's a little bit more of an egg catch, right? Because we can't touch it until it hits the ground. And we wanted to try using everyday items that you'd be able to find around the house. So we've got a bucket of water right here, bucket of flour, bag of bags, a piece of styrofoam, popped popcorn. This is unpopped, in case you couldn't tell. And my personal favorite, Oobleck. So to get on my roof, I'm actually gonna climb up the tree to the side of my house because my ladder isn't tall enough. And then we're going to drop the eggs off the peak of my roof, which happens to be around 21 feet. To start, we're gonna do a control. So we're just gonna drop an egg and it's going to explode.
3, 2, 1. That really splatters.
We wanted to try water because of its density and viscosity. Because water is thicker than air, as the egg enters the water, it's going to slow down quite a bit because of drag. And because water is a lot more dense than air, as the egg goes through the water, it's going to have to force the water out of the way. This will also cause the egg to slow down quite a bit.
3, 2, 1.
3, 2, 1. I see yolk!
We wanted to try flour because as the egg drops into it, it'll conform to the shape of the egg. And then the flour will compress and slowly take the energy out of it. A single bag by itself probably wouldn't work very well, but when you take a bag and stuff more bags inside of it, they start to trap the air. So that this way, when the egg impacts it, it's actually displacing a lot of air, which will cause it to slow down quite a bit.
3, 2, 1. Did it break? Are we good?
Oh, God.
No, at the very end. Plastic bags, try 2. As in 2 sets of grocery bags all packed in each other. 3, 2, 1. I think I'll survive. It teleported to a new dimension. We found a wormhole.
We think foam is a good choice because it's nice and soft, but still rigid. So hopefully, when the egg hits it, it won't break.
Piece of foam. 3, 2, 1. Wow.
Wow!
Foam. Try number 2. 3, 2, 1. Wow. Crack.
3, 2, 1. Wow! Crack. Oh.
So popcorn is a lot like the styrofoam, but as individual pieces. So as the egg falls into the popcorn, it's going to conform to it and enable it to absorb impact better. Oobleck is a really interesting material because it resists movement. This is because it's a non-Newtonian fluid. As you try to move it, it becomes more rigid. We think this will work well for the egg because it'll resist the egg dropping through it. So it'll slow down faster.
Gonna do an Oobleck test. You ready? Oh, hopefully we hit in the right spot. 3, 2, 1. Well, we didn't hit in the right spot, Ryan. Well, we didn't hit in the right spot. 3, 2, 1.
Thanks for watching. Remember, we're still growing, so like and subscribe. And leave a comment if you want to see us do something in the future. But while you think about that, check out our catapults.